my god, the battle of the century.
Let's do this.
A speedboat.
They should make. They should have a mega vet, but not the things like one of them's a megalodon.
Oh, megalodon. Yeah, they should add that. They should add the banana boat. Where's the banana boat? Come on, guys.
Oh my god, yes, a banana boat. They need to do that. Or one of those swan boats. Oh, where you pedal.
Okay, yeah, the orca's
They may be
definitely
small,
coming off
they're
us.
nice.
So yeah, the orca's probably going to target us. Yep, it is. Oh, I managed to hit it though. The battle of the century: a speedboat versus the orca in extraction mode. Yes. Oh crap! Didn't realize what we. Whoa! We're upside down.
Oh, we beat.
We're upside down.
And we're onto the island. Go, move.
I can't. The
matter how we
speedboat
do it,
is just not.
move.
I have no control. Okay, there we go. I'm good.
How did we survive?
How did we survive that?
God knows.
Yeah, this orca is probably faster than us, but oh my god, this is so intense. An orca versus a speedboat. That sounds like the title for a new video.
Battle of the century.
Battle of the century. Orca versus a speedboat. You need to give the orca like no advances. As soon as he starts going fast, oh yep, he's going fast.
He's here.
Go,
he's
go,
right
go,
there.
go,
Oh my
go.
God. He's right there.
He's literally right there. Oh my god. How are we still alive?
I wish you could see from my view. That is still there. Oh, he's boosting again, I think.
We're good, because I think he
my
hit
God.
an island.
He's jittering.
Ooh, crap.
No, we're not. Apparently we're not, because we're gonna kill her. You're an
Killer
orca.
whale. We've got to get to the helicopters.
Where are the helis? Where are the helis?
We need to go. Okay, there's one right there. We need to be quick with this.
Go. Break hit.
No, I'm dead!
They both grabbed.
We were both
Well
grabbed at the
done.
exact same time.